you guys? It's Jbunny and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you another money saving hack for your beauty routine at home. So if you guys are interested in seeing the rest of this video, please stay tuned and go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you can become a part of the notification gang and see more videos like this first. Let's jump into this video. I'm going to be unboxing two brand new products that I picked up, and I'm also going to be putting the products to use so both you and me can see how the products work. Are they actually worth the investment? And like, how hard or easy is this going to be at home? Let's open these products up. This is the UV light. It is totally cute. You can pick it up on Amazon and it is really affordable. The UV light was just $25.99. Wow. I am not disappointed, you guys. Look how cute this UV lamp is. It is so freaking cute. It came wrapped in this plastic, so it's very nice. Ooh. Here is what it looks like out of the box. It is so freaking cute. It looks like a giant purple disco ball. Also, it fits your entire hand or foot inside. It's a motion sensor. Here's the top. It has preset settings with the timer right here on the top, so it is like super convenient to use. So it looks like it just plugs in right here in the back. And then of course this will go into your standard USA wall outlet. The second thing I picked up is of course a box of gel nail polish, including many different colors. The gel polish comes in at just $29.98 on Amazon, and it's available on Amazon Prime. And let's take a look inside. So it comes securely packaged like this, and you can see they're all gel colors, multi-colors. Oh my god, I'm so excited to try all of these out. And it also comes, of course, with base coat and top coat, so it really is a complete set. And yeah, it has really great reviews, so I can't wait to use it with you guys on camera today to create this amazing at-home gel manicure for you guys. And so all in all, you're investing around $50 to do these at-home manicures, and that's really the huge money saver, is that you can do your nails for an entire year for the price of going to the salon literally just one time. So yeah, you guys, I'm super excited. I'm just gonna freestyle the design for you guys. Whatever hits me, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm definitely gonna add some embellishments on these nails, like some maybe crystals or little flowers or whatever, and we're gonna see how it goes. So stay tuned to the end of the video to see how the manicure turns out, and let's hope it turns out super cute. So the first step you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna take this base coat that comes in the gel nail polish set, and you're gonna apply one layer on all of your nails. I'm doing mine on freshly applied press-on nails. So to do polish, you always start at the base. I've applied one coat of clear polish, and now I'm going to set it inside the UV machine. I'm gonna put it on 60 seconds, and I'm gonna put my hand right inside like that. Okay, and then go ahead and put your other hand in. So press the 60 seconds and put your second hand in. This is how it looks with the base coat. Now it's completely cured after 3 minutes each hand under the UV light. So now I have all of these colors to pick from the set. I'm going to go ahead and do color H09, which is a dark color blue, and I'm going to do one coat on each nail. So here is my first hand polished, and I'm gonna put it in the UV light to cure now. So as you guys can see, the timer is super convenient on the top of the UV light. For each of these colored coats, I'm doing 90-second cure time for each coat, and I'm doing 2 coats on each hand. So that will be one 60-second round and one 30-second round here on your UV light. So here is my nail set after I have cured, and it is totally cured to the touch. When you rub your finger over it and it doesn't stick and it's not tacky, then that's when it's cured. So the next step we're gonna do on this at-home manicure is of course some bling. I have these really cute starfish and seahorses. I'll go ahead and link these sticker sheets down below. And so how you put these on is you're just going to take a tweezer and you're going to kind of locate the edge of the sticker and carefully peel it up, taking care not to damage the edge of the sticker as much as possible. And then you're going to pick the location that you want and you're going to simply put it right down and press it lightly with your finger, and it should adhere right on, just like that, easy as that. And make it as smooth as possible, and don't worry, we'll be sealing these all in with a top coat of gel. So yeah, you guys, let's keep applying these designs. So I just adhered all of these different nail stickers. They're not cured yet. So yeah, you guys, we're gonna apply a top coat over each of our nails using this top coat, and then we're gonna cure it. So I'll be back in a quick second. Here it is. The top coat was just put on. It's completely cured. I can touch them. No tackiness, no stickiness. But to complete this nail set, I definitely want to add a little bit of bling. And so I have right here these really cute pearls, and I'm thinking like mother of pearl under the sea. To apply this pearl, it is super easy. You're going to go ahead and take your base coat, put a small drop of base coat polish where you want to place the pearl, and then I went ahead and used a small pair of tweezers to pick up the pearls and gently place them on top of the base coat. And then you're gonna go ahead and cook them under the UV light for 30 seconds. Then after you do that, we're gonna put one final base coat over the top of each of the embellishments to really lock them in and give you long-lasting nail art that isn't gonna fall off. So yeah, you guys, I'll be back in a second with the final results. I am really happy with how these turned out. The gel is completely cured and I really want you guys to see it. Look how cute my under the sea nails turned out. They have mother of pearl embellishments on them, along with the nautical and beach theme stickers. Everything is just so seamless. Sound off in the comments below if you want me to do more gel nail sets. I think these turned out like freaking absolutely amazing. They're definitely giving me under the sea vibes. It was the first time I was trying gel, but honestly, for a beginner, I did this the first time with you guys on camera right now. I think it turned out like pretty freaking cute, and overall it took me like an hour, I guess, to get the whole process done. So yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this week's video on nail hacks and how to save money and do your own gel manicure at home. And yeah, you guys, I'm definitely going to be flaunting these on my Instagram and on my Twitter, so make sure you also check out my other socials in the description below and follow me there. And yeah, you guys, I'll see you for another video soon. Stay well, stay looking pretty, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.